I'm so pleased so many of you loved my free tutorial over on YTube, and you've left me a whole load of questions, so let's get to it. This is going to be particularly useful for people who want to monetize their social media, monetize their TikTok, perhaps become a coach, sell a service or even a digital product. Let's get to it. So the first question here is, can I link it to my website? Can I link Stan Store to my website? Well, here's my Stan Store. You can link it to absolutely anything you want. You've got all these icons here at the top. You can add your W site there, or you can literally have these little sections where you can use them as lead pages or lead directs. So you could have a checkout on my W site here, or read my latest blog here, and this button here, you just put a little link on it. I show you how to do all of that in my tutorial, and it takes you wherever you want people to go. So in short, yes, you can. The next question from Ali Marsh 888, hello Ali, same as me, says, I'm weighing up between Etsy and Stan Store. Is there any way that Stan Store can show testimonials, as this is super important that potential clients see these? Absolutely, couldn't agree more. So if we go to one of the products in my Stan Store, which is the small business bundle, if you scroll a little bit down on that same item, now here are reviews that have been left on my W site. I've screenshotted it and I've put it in there. But if you want actual reviews that have been left by people that have bought direct from your Stan Store, yes, you can. Here are a couple of mine, and they will show up on every single product where the review is left, or every service. And if you were to compare all of the things that you can do with a Stan Store and compare it to something like Etsy, I'm going to tell you now is you've got way more options. You can just do lead magnets, you can sell digital products, you can sell coaching calls that links directly into Google. It's so great, and they can be paid or free. You can sell a custom product, you can sell an e-course, you can sell a reoccurring membership. You can even host webinars on Stan Store, redirect, here we go, to an external site like your website or anything. And this is brand new. You can even host a free or paid community on Stan Store. Absolutely amazing. So if you are thinking about doing any of those things, honestly, the Stan Store is going to be way better. It takes 15 minutes to set up. I have a free tutorial over on YTube, and you keep 100% of anything you sell. Unlike Etsy or anywhere else, they're going to take a commission. And I genuinely think if you're going to be doing any of these things, you need to have a Stan Store, because if you put yourself on Etsy, you're just going to be diluting the opportunity of selling your products, and you're going to be decreasing the value of your products or services, because you're going to be in direct competition with thousands of other people potentially doing something similar to you.